Hi, this is Greg with Calendarsnack.com. Thanks for stopping by. I'm going to full screen here. I'm going to do a quick review how to create a MailChimp RSVP button and at the same time get a calendar landing page for a single event and multiple events in 10 seconds. That said, it's real simple. To the right here where you see my cursor in the red box, all you do to get a calendar snack and all calendar snacks is use this email address, create@calendarsnack.com. When you do that, we send back to the organizer. In this case here for the demo, it's Mandy at TechVader. Will receive a full calendar snack with the button information and the landing page information in it. That said, every time you do this, you're going to get access to both of those things, like I spoke about, the calendar landing page and the RSVP buttons. Here we go on step 1. Like I said, create a calendarsnack.com. Step 2, retrieve the calendar snack by clicking into the email, click to view, and when you get into click to view, you'll see the buttons across the top. You go to send, and within the send you'll see the 2 buckets of buttons, one for the email providers here, you see MailChimp, and then you'll see the various single event landing pages, and then I'll show you the multiple event landing page here coming up. So that said, one of the tricks of the trade is really understanding how this all works, and that is in the dashboard, anytime you send us a calendar snack, like I said in the beginning, you'll be able to track all your calendar snacks in the dashboard here. When you click on the individual events, you can actually get in there and operate them and drill into the individual calendar snacks. So we actually create 4 buttons every time you send us a calendar snack for the email marketing providers, MailChimp, SendGrid, Klaviyo, and Convertkit. Here they are here in the button interface I showed you before. All you do is grab and go. Understand we use the same automation technology for the MailChimp button and the calendar landing pages to send the calendar invites. Important to understand that it's the same technology stack behind it, and you get that every time you use it. That said, this is a high-level workflow. Let's pretend this is a MailChimp campaign that was sent out. Click my RSVP button. When someone clicks that button to actually attend your event, we send out a thank you landing page they're routed to, and the calendar invitation is sent to them in the background. And then in the background, we're tracking that calendar invitation and how that person interacts with their personal calendar, and then we collect the calendar receipts right here. That said, for MailChimp, detailed dive here would be go in and grab the code here out of our interface and stuff that code right here in 2 and 3 over to the right in the MailChimp template. All the email marketing template providers provide some type of metaphor for this call to action button, the CTA as it's called in the industry. And essentially here I made this click here to get the calendar invite to attend the event. When they click the button, they get the calendar invite. That said, in a detailed workflow here, 3, 4, 5, and 6, you'll see when someone clicks the button, they basically receive the calendar invitation. They're sent to the calendar landing page. This is all automated here for us and for you. We scraped all that information and actually made a really nice landing page for you there. And then the details here in the back that we actually track all that in the reporting engine. So that said, with the Calendar Snack pre-built landing pages, like I said, there's a single and a multiple. There's the various grab and go buttons here in the various interfaces. There they are here in exploded detail. This is a single landing page here to the left. This is the multiple event landing page to the right. Here are the details of the single landing page. When someone puts their email in, clicks the RSVP now, they're sent to a calendar landing page that says thanks for signing up, and we send them the calendar invite itself. When we track it, it's the same workflow as the RSVP button for email marketing, except this one here is actually in a URL web page. And then every time you create a calendar snack, it's going to show up in your upcoming event landing page for one-click invitation. So this is a concept of calendar invite streaming. We basically take anything sent to our service and we actually stream it in an upcoming event calendar landing page, and it's right here. So when someone puts their email address here at the top, they can individually pick off which events they want to attend for you, and we send them to a landing page and tell them thank you on your behalf, and we send them the individual calendar invitations which we track on the back. This technology we have invented and perfecting over the last couple of years, and nobody else has. This simple one-click invite sending for the RSVP and the calendar invitation right here. So with that said, the final tip is to leverage this all in the master reporting engine like I started off with. We have all the great data there. You'll see here in great detail, again, when you click into the individual event on the dashboard, you'll go into the account reports. In the account reports, if you want to get a detailed report sent to you, we send you an Excel spreadsheet. If you click that button, and then we track all this stuff on an individual event baseline. That said, why do you go through all this to actually create a calendar snack in 10 seconds? We have evidence now over the last 3 years, proof that's 28% better attendance to basically get on somebody's calendar and won't get lost, and it's basically the best reminder in the business. Thanks for stopping by and checking us out, and hope to see you.